In today's video, I will share English worksheet that you can introduce to your child. These worksheets are usable for pre-nursery, nursery and playgroup kids. At the starting level, you can introduce these. So I have so many activities that I'm going to share in this video. So please watch this video till the end and don't skip the video if you want to get benefit from this video. हाय वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज की वीडियो है इंग्लिश एंड अल्फ़ाबेट वर्कशीट पे, हाउ टू मेक DIY वर्कशीट्स। आप इनके प्रिंट आउट भी ले सकते हैं एंड दीज आर द फ्री वर्कशीट्स दैट यू कैन डाउनलोड और यू कैन डू DIY एट योर होम। दीज आर द वर्कशीट फॉर द नर्सरी किड्स, प्ले ग्रुप, प्री स्कूल एंड प्री नर्सरी किड्स. So this is the part 1 for English worksheet. After that we'll make part 2, 3 and so on. So let's get started. Amu, beta say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Very good. So this is the first one that you can introduce. Before this, how you have to teach alphabet to your kids, for that I have already uploaded a video on my channel. You can give these type of activities to your kids for lowercase and uppercase alphabets. This is the matching activity. So the B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. These are the basic, the first step that you can introduce to your child. Apart from that, you can introduce these type of worksheets that you have to identify the letter and you have to count. So this will be a math activity also. So you have to count how many small a. B. This will also improve your child's concentration and memory power. The worksheet that you can introduce to your child is after and before. What will come after A, after B, after C, after D. So this is the basic one. That is why I have written down here in the sequence. Amu, what will come after A, beta? B. Very good. So we'll write here B. What will come after B? C. Yes. A will come before. So ऐसे ही this is the activity for the before concept. What will come before B? A. What will come before C? B. What will come before D? C. Here D will come before E. What will come before F? E. So इस तरह से आपको एक्टिविटीज़ करानी है कि आपका बच्चा बोर नहीं हो और इन्जॉय के साथ उस एक्टिविटी को करें। नेक्स्ट आप इस तरह से एक्टिविटी करा सकते हैं, जैसे सर्कल द बबल विद अपर केस A. सो A. इसके साथ आपकी मैथ की वर्कशीट भी हो जाती है कि हाउ मैनी A आर हियर, 1, 2, 3. एंड आपके बच्चे का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड विजुअल पावर विल ऑल्सो बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट, सर्कल द लोअर केस. In a similar way you can do the lowercase activity. You can give lowercase and uppercase both alphabets together, and similar kind of alphabets you can also give to your child. For example, D and B, W, M. These kind of words you can also introduce to your child in the activities. Monkey baby. Yes, monkey baby. Very good. Choti C. Next, tell uppercase of T. So here I have written like B, T, V, A, M, S, and your child have to identify and circle it. Next आप इस तरह की एक्टिविटी अपने बच्चे से करा सकते हैं. For example, circle alphabet like A. You have to identify A and circle them. A. How many A? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write here 4. B. How many B's? 1, 2, 3. These activities are best activity to improve the concentration, to memory and the visual part of your child. Next, find correct match. This is A. So your kids have to identify A and circle that. B. C. One more thing that you can introduce with this concept, that find out the correct match and color. You can introduce coloring activity also, so that your kid can enjoy it. Next you can introduce like D, if your child have any confusion like in B, D, M, W, so you can introduce these type of activities like D, which one is the correct one, so this is the correct one. T, which one is the correct one, this one. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी जो आप करा सकते हैं दैट इज़ लाइक फोटो मैचिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज C for car. This type of activities. If your child is at the starting level, then you can give these type of activities like A, B, C. This is also the best activity at the starting level for the beginners. Fun activity you can also do. For example, you can write D, O and ask your child to color it. So your child will enjoy and also learn to identify alphabets. Next you can also introduce this type of activities. You can do it DIY like I, K, L, M, R, small and big, lower and capital alphabets की activities you can introduce. At next level you can introduce this type of activities that your child have to identify how many I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many K 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have to identify and circle them. The next level in the identifying alphabets is this type of activities. Like how many O are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many A? 1, 2, 3, 4. This type of activity you can introduce to your child. The next that you can introduce is find and match activities. Here like this is the half part and this is the opposite or other half part. You can ask your child to match them. And what is written here? A. So what will come here? A. The same of this one is this. B. So what will come here? B. C. So what will come here? C. These are the best activities to improve your child thinking ability, concentration. Next you can introduce alphabet activity book. This type of worksheet also you can reuse and you can, if you want, you can make them at home like L, capital and lowercase L. These are the tracing activities for your child, and you can erase and use them multiple times. So you can buy this type of protected sheet. I'll share the link in the description box for that. And apart from this, if you want to buy, you can buy it from any shop or offline also. Next you can introduce this type of activity like milk, cow, honey, honeybee, eggs, hen, wool, sheep. Next you can introduce the weather matching activity for your child, and your child will definitely enjoy this activity. Like umbrella, when we use umbrella in a rainy season, snowman when there is a snow, when we fly kites when there is a spring season, and this will be the summer activity. नेक्स्ट आप इस तरह की एक्टिविटी इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकते हैं और प्रिंट आउट ले सकते हैं. एनिमल एंड देयर होम्स, फार्म एनिमल्स like sheep, cow, forest animal, house animal, ocean animal. The next and very interesting activity is the compound word. ये आप अपने बच्चों को इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकते हैं. Foot plus ball, football. Cook plus book, cookbook. Fire plus fly, firefly. Wind plus shield, windshield. These are type of activities you can introduce to your child.